Ver wished you could make money while AI does most of the work? Well, in 2025, that's not just possible. It's already happening. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 ways to make real money using AI with zero startup cost. And if you stick around, I'll even reveal a bonus AI hustle that's so easy it almost feels like cheating. AI is no longer just something sci-fi movies warn us about. It's officially here and it's changing the way we work, create, and make money. The crazy part? Most people are sleeping on the biggest money-making opportunity of this decade. Think about it. AI is everywhere. Businesses are scrambling to integrate it. Content creators are using it to scale faster, and freelancers are leveraging it to make more money in less time. But while some people are over here freaking out about robots taking their jobs, others are cashing in. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do the same. The best part? You don't need coding skills, expensive software, or even a website. Let's get into the 3 best ways to make money with AI in 2025 without spending a dime. 1. AI-generated content for businesses and social media. One of the easiest and most profitable ways to use AI right now is by creating content for businesses and influencers. Companies are desperate for content, but writing blogs, emails, or social media posts takes time. Enter AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper AI, and Copied AI. They can generate high-quality content in seconds. Here's how you make money with it. Sign up on freelancing sites like Upwork, Fiverr, or People Per Hour, and offer AI-powered writing services. Use AI to write blog posts, product descriptions, ad copy, or social media captions. Charge $50 to $200 per project. And since AI does 90% of the work, you can scale fast. Not into freelancing? Launch a faceless social media brand using AI-generated content. Tools like Pictory AI and Runway ML can create full-length videos from text, and Canva AI can design Instagram carousels in minutes. Monetize with ads, affiliate links, or brand deals, and you've got a passive income machine. 2. Selling AI-generated digital products. Ever wished you could make money in your sleep? AI makes that stupidly easy with digital products. These are things you create once and sell over and over again with zero inventory or shipping hassle. Some of the best AI-powered digital products include ebooks, use ChatGPT to write them in hours instead of weeks. Online courses, teach a skill and use AI to generate scripts, slides, and marketing copy. Printable templates, planners, resumes, social media templates, sell them on Etsy or Gumroad. For example, let's say you create a productivity planner with Canva AI and list it on Etsy. If you sell just 10 copies a day at $10 each, that's $3,000 per month in passive income. People are crushing it with AI-generated products, and once you build a catalog, the money keeps rolling in. 3. AI automation for small businesses. Business owners want to save time and make more money, and AI automation is the perfect solution. You can set up and sell AI-powered chatbots, workflow automation, and AI customer support solutions to businesses that desperately need them. Here's how you can start for free. Use chatbot.com, ManyChat, or Tidio to create chatbots that handle customer support, book appointments, or generate leads. And offer to set up automation for local businesses, real estate agents, restaurants, e-commerce stores. Charge $200 to $1,000 per setup. And once it's running, the business owner barely needs to touch it. This is seriously undervalued right now. Most businesses don't know how to set up AI automation, but they'll happily pay you to do it for them. Imagine setting up 5 chatbots per month at $500 each. That's $2,500 per month for something AI practically builds for you. Now I promised a bonus method, and here it is: AI-powered affiliate marketing. This is where you promote products and earn commissions on sales, but AI makes it effortless. Instead of writing content manually, use AI to create blog posts, product reviews, or even YouTube scripts that drive traffic to your affiliate links. For example, start a niche website using AI-written articles and monetize with Amazon or ClickBank. Use ChatGPT to script YouTube videos, make faceless content with Pictory AI, and promote digital products. Run an AI-generated email newsletter with automated sequences that sell products on autopilot. This is completely passive once you set it up, and some people make 5 to 6 figures per month just from AI-powered affiliate marketing alone. The biggest mistake you can make? Doing nothing. AI is only getting bigger, and the earlier you start, the more money you'll make. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and comment below which AI side hustle excites you the most. And if you want more AI money-making strategies, subscribe because I've got some insane methods coming up that you don't want to miss. See you in the next one.